In this video, we'll discuss comments and how to use them effectively to make code more maintainable and easier to understand. In programming, comments are lines of text that are not executed. They serve as explanations or notes to help developers understand the purpose or functionality of certain parts of the code. There are two types of comments in JavaScript. The first one are single-line comments and are created by starting the line with two forward slashes, like this. Everything after the slashes on that line will be considered a comment and ignored by the JavaScript engine. For example, we can have the code console.log hello world. Now, if you were to run the program using node index.js, you will see hello world. But if you were to leave a comment using two forward slashes followed by the line below prints hello world, and then try to run the program using node index.js, you will see that the comment doesn't generate an error. The second type are multi-line comments. These comments can span multiple lines and are created by enclosing the text between forward slash, asterisk, and asterisk, forward slash. Everything between these symbols will be treated as a comment and not executed. So for example, we can have multiple lines. The line below prints hello world. We can have a single line, or we can just place this on the next line. Move this below, save this, and then run the program. And you will see that it works. So why should we use comments in our code? Because they help explain your code to other developers or even to yourself when you revisit your code later. By providing explanations, you make it easier for others to understand your code and contribute to it. They also serve as a form of documentation. They can help you and your teammates understand how certain parts of the code work, which can be especially helpful in complex projects. So use comments often, especially when you're working on something new or on a complex topic.